Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. I want to show you a flip through of my EllsieBeLs Bookshelf design team project for February. It is using Wildflower Paint digital kit, and it also she will print and ship for you if you need the printed version. And right now it is Sunday Sunday at 1 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock, Sunday the 23rd. And this is on sale for 34 more hours. So I'm going to say through 5 o'clock Monday the 24th, maybe? Let me look. I think that's right. So, just so you know that. But if you miss the sale, it is also one of her dollar digis or 99-cent things or whatever I forget what she calls them in her shop, but it's not expensive. So if you miss the sale, oops, sorry, it's still okay. But it's very pretty. It's 8.5 by 5.5 cardstock cover folded in half. It's like a double cardstock with Tyvek on the inside, and the cover is one of the pages. And I dyed some lace. There's green, blue, purple, coral, and then I think it repeats again. But I didn't think it needed anything hugely fancy, but I thought it looked really pretty. And then the strings just have circles and a little piece of bling. But if you don't like the strings, you can certainly cut them off. It's got 68 pages. I mean, look at that. Just gorgeous. I'm going to say some of these pockets, they're hers, but they're not from this kit. And I will figure it out and link it, because I'm totally drawing a blank. But they're perfect for this, and they were left over from something. So I'm using them in here, but I'll have to look that up. So here's a little something. I guess it could be journaling. And then just a piece of blue note paper. Torn page out of a Pastel Tips and Techniques. I guess a art book of some kind. The backs of the pages have stenciling. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a lot of room in here. There's plenty of journaling space, but there's also space to add pictures or ephemera, or to totally customize it to what you want. And I made a lot of the pages off, so that the sizes varied and we could have flips and things. I love those. I think it's really fun. So I did that several times throughout. There's just a little to do today card, and another pocket from whatever the mystery kit is. Gorgeous page. A little bit of stenciling. I love these little half-size ledger pages. I love this one. So pretty. A giant pocket with copy dyed and Project Life card with grid paper on the back. Hello. A little bit of stenciling. From where I am, I can't see it in the viewfinder, so I don't know if you can or not. But it's light blue, just some swirly things. From the other kit pocket. And then this, I'm not sure actually where these came from. It could be hers or it could be not. I'm not sure. But look at this, grass. There's lines on the back. I want to say this is a very old, close to my heart journaling card. I've been cleaning out my craft room and trying to be mindful of what I have and use it instead of just, you know, hoarding and bringing more stuff in, more lines, and not using it all. So that's my goal for the year. I mean, I know I won't use it all up in a year, but I'd actually like to need stuff, if that makes any sense. I have so much. A Project Life card. Yeah. I can't tell if you can see it or not, but there's stenciling. And then I open at the top, huge pocket. Be happy, be bright, be you. Kiwi with lines. And these, I know, are hers from, gosh, I've had that. That might have been one of the first things I ever bought from her a couple, 3 years ago. They're pieces of barn door, barns, the side of barn painted. And I did it small. I mean, this can be a whole page. Each one of these can be a whole page. But I liked them, you know, smaller and as pockets and stuff. Here's some pebbles or rocks, I guess. And then this side has lines. Oops. And then down here is a teeny tiny piece of something. Cut. I want to say it was cut out of a magazine or something. It's a little sturdier than magazine paper, so it might have been like a sale, an ad, you know, that comes in the mail. I'm not sure, but it's so cute. It's got a vase of flowers and then some tiny itty bitty cards in there. Okay, that is it. All right. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a good day.